Finding peace within. Understanding meditation and mindfulness. In our fast-paced world, finding peace can feel like an impossible task. Our minds race with countless thoughts, worries, and to-dos, leaving us feeling stressed, anxious, and disconnected. This is where meditation and mindfulness come in. Though often used interchangeably, these practices offer distinct yet interconnected paths towards inner peace and well-being. Meditation and mindfulness are practices that cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and the present moment. They offer tools to calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance our overall well-being. While they share the common goal of cultivating inner peace, they differ in their approaches and techniques. Understanding these differences can help you choose the practice that best suits your needs and goals. Whether you seek to manage stress, improve focus, or simply find moments of stillness in your day, exploring meditation and mindfulness can be transformative. Meditation, a journey inward. Meditation is a practice that involves training the mind to focus on a single point of reference. It's like taking a journey inward, allowing us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. Through various techniques, meditation aims to quiet the constant chatter of the mind and cultivate a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. There are many different types of meditation, each with its unique approach. Some common types include samatha vipassana, yoga, zazen, and transcendental meditation. These practices may involve focusing on the breath, repeating a mantra, or visualizing a peaceful image. The goal of meditation is not to empty the mind completely, but rather to become more aware of its workings. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we can develop a sense of detachment from them. This allows us to experience greater peace, even amidst life's challenges. Mindfulness, embracing the present moment. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is about bringing our full attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about noticing our thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise, without getting carried away by them. Imagine yourself fully present while eating a meal, feeling the textures and flavors, or listening attentively to a loved one, truly absorbing their words. We can practice mindfulness throughout the day, in any activity. Walking, eating, or even washing dishes can become opportunities to cultivate mindfulness. The key is to bring a gentle, non-judgmental awareness to the experience, noticing the sensations, thoughts, and emotions that arise. By cultivating mindfulness, we can develop a greater appreciation for the present moment. We learn to savor the simple joys in life and approach challenges with more clarity and calmness. Mindfulness allows us to move through our days with greater presence and awareness, fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Meditation and mindfulness share the common goal of cultivating inner peace, but they differ in their approaches. Meditation is like a focused workout for the mind, training it to stay present through specific techniques, and it's often done in a dedicated setting. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is about bringing awareness to everyday experiences, integrating presence into the flow of life. Think of meditation as building a muscle. The more you practice, the better you become at focusing your mind and cultivating stillness. Mindfulness is about applying that muscle to everyday life, bringing awareness to our thoughts, feelings, and actions in each moment. Both practices offer significant benefits for mental and emotional well-being. Meditation can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional regulation. Mindfulness can increase self-awareness, enhance compassion, and improve our relationships. So, which practice is right for you? The answer is both. Meditation and mindfulness are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they complement each other beautifully. Meditation can be seen as a training ground for mindfulness, strengthening our ability to be present. Mindfulness, in turn, enhances our meditation practice, bringing greater awareness to our thoughts and emotions as we sit or walk. Experiment with both practices to see what resonates with you. You might find that a regular meditation practice helps you feel more grounded and centered, while incorporating mindfulness into your daily activities brings a sense of peace and joy to ordinary moments. The key is to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. There's no right or wrong way to practice meditation or mindfulness. The most important thing is to approach both with an open mind and a willingness to explore the depths of your own being.